Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how you can style your sari for winter weddings. For today's video, I chose this beautiful yellow sari with pink floral prints. The color of my sari is yellow, so I'll go with bold eyes and a brown matte lipstick. You can go for bolder color on your lips for light color attires. Here I am choosing heavy earrings for my jewelry, so I am not going to add any necklace or mang tika along with it. But if you are planning to wear the whole necklace set, then you have to go for a slighter small earrings. Black high necks are easily available. So with black high necks, you can go for light color sarees like peach color or white color and do a nude makeup. In this video, I am going to style my sari with a black V-neck sweater. I think black is an evergreen color, so it can go with any sari you have. You can also go for dark brown high neck for your yellow sarees. Okay, so this is my final look. I wore simple oxidized finger ring to complete my look. For footwear, I am going with black heels. You can also go for boots or heels with socks. In this video, I draped my sari in a very simple way. So if you want to learn different ways of draping saris, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do share and like. For more such content, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below.